72% of marketers say that understanding their audience is more challenging now than it was 5 years ago. Between shifting consumer behaviors, new social media platforms skyrocketing in popularity, and evolving ad formats, it's no wonder that this feels more complex. But here's the good news. Market research is the secret weapon that helps you cut through the noise and stay ahead of the curve. In this lesson, you'll learn why market research is essential, tools that you can use to stay ahead of the curve, and a framework for conducting competitor research to give your brand a competitive edge. Let's start with why market research is so important. At its core, market research helps you understand consumer behavior and identify opportunities. It's like having a map that shows you where to go next, whether that's a trending platform, an untapped audience segment, or a new ad format that's gaining popularity. Without market research, you're essentially flying blind. With it, though, you're equipped to make data-driven decisions that keep your marketing strategies relevant and effective. Now that you understand the importance of market research, let's talk about some tools that can help you gather the insights you need. Number 1, Google Trends. This free tool is perfect for identifying trending topics, tracking changes in interest over time. For example, if you want to know whether people are more interested in eco-friendly products or sustainable living, Google Trends can show you which term is gaining traction and where. Number 2, social media analytics. Most platforms offer built-in analytics tools to help you measure audience engagement and understand preferences. Want to know which type of content performs best with your audience? Check your analytics to see what's driving likes, shares, and comments. Number 3, competitor analysis platforms. Tools like SEMrush and BuzzSumo provide deep dives into your competitors' performance, showing their top performing content, ad strategies, and social media engagement. Speaking of competitors, let's walk through a simple framework for conducting competitor research. Step 1. Identify your competitors. List 3 to 5 of your top competitors. These could be direct competitors offering similar products, or indirect competitors targeting the same audience. Step 2. Analyze their strategies. Use tools like SEMrush or BuzzSumo to examine their top performing keywords, most shared content, advertising campaigns, and social media engagement. Step 3. Understand their audience. Look at the type of audience they want to attract. What demographics are they targeting? What tone and messaging do they use? Compare this to your audience and look for overlaps or gaps. Step 4, identify opportunities. Ask yourself, where are your competitors excelling and where are they falling short? Are there trends or topics they're ignoring that you could capitalize on? For example, if a competitor has a strong presence on Instagram but little activity on TikTok, this could be your opportunity to dominate in that space. Or if their blog content performs well but lacks video, you could focus on creating engaging video content to stand out. Market research isn't just about collecting data, it's about turning insights into action. And here's how to start using market research to your advantage. Choose one tool like Google Trends, social media analytics, or a competitor analysis platform and spend 15 minutes exploring it. Look for one insight that you can use to refine your strategy. List 3 competitors and analyze their strengths and weaknesses using the framework we discussed. By making market research a regular part of your process, you'll stay ahead of trends, understand your audience better, and outpace your competition. Remember, knowledge is power. And in marketing, the more you know, the more successful you'll be. So start your research today and watch the insights roll in.